Backtesting is a very key part when it comes to forex trading. But then when it comes to getting backtesting too, most of them are quite expensive, mostly for traders that are new in the market and hasn't made a dime from the market. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you a free tool, like 100% free tool that you can actually use to backtest your forex strategy without having to pay a dime. And the best part of it is that this platform works just like TradingView, that requires you to pay nothing less than 150 to 160 pounds every single year. So if you're a trader out there who is looking for ways to actually backtest your strategy for free, then here is the right video for you. Now, it doesn't matter the device you're using, whether you're using a laptop or a smartphone. This application basically works on every single device out there. So with this already said, and without taking much of your time, let's get straight on my system. Let me share with you this particular application that you can actually use to backtest your forex strategy for 100% free. Hear me right, 100% free, and it works just like TradingView does. So let's get straight into today's video. So hello guys, now that you're on my system, let me take you straight and I share with you this particular software that you can use to backtest for 100% free. Personally, I already have the software. However, I'm going to show you how you can also download this software itself. So now, in order to download this software, the first thing you need to come over to this website here known as Dockers Copy. So all you simply have to do is come over to your browser and search for Dockers. So let me just look at the name. The name is always mistaken. Okay, Dockers Copy. Simply search for this website, Dockers Copy, and then click on this first one, which says Dockers Copy Bank SA, Trade Forex Stock Crypto. So this is a particular website. Now, once you come into the website, here is how it looks. The first thing you need to do is that simply come over here and then hover to where it says Forex Trading. Now, once you come over to where it says Forex Trading, now scroll down here until you see where it says JForex. You come over to where it says Trading Platforms and then come over to JForex and click on JForex. Now, once you click on JForex, the next thing you need to do is simply click on the particular device you want to use. So if you want to use it on your desktop, click on desktop. If you want to use it on the web, click on web. And if you want to use it on your phone as well, simply click on mobile. So they are available for every single platform out there. You can use it on your phone, laptop, or just on the web normally, depending on the device you want to use it on. That's up to you. Now, once you click on it, let me just do that as an example. I personally already installed it on my laptop, but let me show you how. So once you click on desktop, now it will bring you over here. It says JForex desktop for experience no limit while trading on. So simply click on here and then click on down install for 64-bit. Now if your laptop is 32-bit, you can come over here and then click on 32-bit, install for Mac, install for Linux, install for Linux. So they have for every single device out there. So personally, I already have it, so I'm just going to skip that particular step. Now I believe you already have the application also, so you just click here and download it. Once you download, you have to follow the installation prompt that will pop up so that you install it, and that's all. Now they are going to send you a login details, like which contains your login and then your password. So now how you simply get this is simple. All you simply have to do is that what, come over to their website again and then click on where it says Forex Trading. Just hover around Forex Trading and then just click on Forex Trading. Now once you click on Forex Trading, to bring you to a different page like this. Now all you simply have to do is I will scroll down here until you see where it says quick demo registration. Now over here, simply put in your name, your first name, last name, your email address, and then your telephone number. So here, simply switch to your country. So for example, I'm in Ghana, so I'll just go to Ghana and then put in your telephone number here. And then over here, select JForex. After that, click on open demo. Now once you click on open demo, they are going to send you your login details for you to log in into the platform. So now let me just show you now, since I already have it. So let me just search for JForex. So you can see I already have it on my laptop, because it's just like TradingView, and this one is 100% free. You don't have to pay any single money for it. Now once you log in, make sure that you come over to here. You can see they have two options, live and demo. Make sure you switch to demo before you click on the login, since you are using a demo account, because they are a trading platform, but they give you the access to backtest with their TradingView integrated interface. I don't know if it's TradingView, but it just looks exactly like TradingView with different arrangements. So now I'm just logging into my account right now. So let's wait for it to log in. Let me show you how I can actually navigate the platform. So now you can see that I'm actually logged in into my account right now. Now when you log in at first, by default, it will be on Euro USD. So you can simply come over here, click down here to actually change the pairs. So now let me just drag this over. Let me just close this off. I was actually in backtesting mode, so now let me close it off. Now here's one thing you need to know. When it comes to loading this platform, it at times takes some few minutes to load. Like if your internet connection is not really that fast as well, it might also affect the loading time. But in general, it's all okay for you to do your back testing. You can see loading orders. It takes time to actually load at times. So you can just come over here where it says Euro USD and then look through here and then choose any particular pair you want. So they have some decent pairs here that you can actually look into. And then your time frame, you can click this drop down here to add to pick your time frame. You can see I already have my favorite time frame, so anyone that I add to favorite will be appearing over here. Now in case you don't use candles, you want different chart format, you can come over here, line charts, bar charts, candles. If you want table, they can also give you tables and all of that. So now I'm just going back to my original candles. Now next up is simply bid and ask price, so you can choose which of the price you want to see. So I'll just go for bid. And then over here, reload this to reload the platform, and then this to lock or free the chart. And then here is your crossbar for those of you like using it. It's basically a crossbar to cross and then align the market if you wish. Next up, this is your pip measurement. You want to use to measure pips as we all do in TradingView. Here is to select custom range. So if you want to backtest, you can simply use here and then select the custom period you actually want to look into. Here is your zoom area if you want to zoom into any particular point like this. So I'm just going to reload it and everything will come back normal again. Now you see the reloading at times it does take some few minutes, mostly if your internet connection is kind of slow like the way mine is today. You can see reconnecting, connected. And so this here is your indicators. You can come over here to come see all your indicators. So there are more indicators. So here are your drawing tools. You can see over here. This one is for retracement like Fibonacci and all of that. This here is to draw some Elliott impulse wave for those of you who use all those methods. Here is for icons that you can use to indicate things and then all of that. Here is your order widget. If you want to order, you can see buy and sell. So that is it. Here, what is this for? Okay, replay widget. So this is where you actually use for your replay. Like when you want to backtest, this is the one you actually use. And then here is the pattern analytics widget. So I just click on agree. So I don't do all of this. So let me just close this off. I don't need all of these patterns. So now I've shown you every single thing. Now if you want to backtest, remember just click on this particular one here. Click on it here, then you simply go back to the date you want to cut at. So you can simply go back as much as far as you want, basically. So you can go as far as you want. So for example, let me just click here and then so you can even click here to put custom date if you don't want to stress yourself with pulling backwards. So basically for me, I'll just cut it from here. You see, I just use this one and then cut it, and then I'll just draw the whole market together. Now you can start your analytics from here to resume your backtesting. So for example, you can just mark out whatever thing you want. And then they also allow you to use test, and then so I already have some tests saved here. So I'll just MS. You can see they allow you to save tests and all of that. And then if you want to draw your rectangle, I already have it tagged in here, but you can come over here to get it, the pen icon. And then here is it, rectangle. And then you drag it wide. So now let me just show you how you can place order. Let me just play these bars randomly. So if you want to speed up the bars, you can use this particular area here. They allow you to speed up to 50%. That will be way faster. I mean, I say 50%. So let's just play it to that area. Oh, I just jumped to current market position. So basically, that's simply how you analyze with this market. Let me just go back. Replay starts. So you see, at times the loading kind of take time, but it basically actually worth it because you are getting all of these views for free. So now let me just show you how you can place orders with it whilst backtesting. Let me delete this off. Let me basically just clear all of this. And then get back my cutting tool. So basically just click on here to play. You see, if you want it a bit faster, you can come over here 50 times. You see, basically like this. You can come back here and then lower it to 10x. Then you can just pause here, or you can play it and all of that. So now if let me say you are backtesting and then you want to place an order. So for example, let me say here I want to take a sell order. Okay, let me just say I want to take a buy order from here. I'm not doing analytics, I'm just marking randomly, as you can see. Let me say I want to buy from here. This looks like a demand level, even though there's nothing has been taken away from the top. And then once you mark it out like that, you simply have to play it until the bars get there. So now let me quickly play for the bar to get there. Okay, the bar actually did not stop there, it just broke it immediately. So let me just shift it here. So I just want the market to get to a point of interest. Let me just do like I want to take order. Okay, so for example, maybe I want to sell from here, even though this doesn't comply with my strategy. Please, I'm not showing you any strategy here. I'm just taking random things. So for example, let me say here that the market is, I want to take a sell from here. What I'll simply do is I'll just click on where it says, so this one is buy, this one is sell, this way you increase your lot size and all of that. Let me just click on sell. Now once you click on it, an arrow will appear there. You just have to click on the arrow there. And let me drag this thing up so you can see it. So you just have to click on it. Once you click on it, to give you to set your TP. You just have to drag it to your TP, and then drag the other onto your SL like this. That's simply all. Now from here, you just click on play. You can see your SL got smashed. It will get marked out there. So this is basically how you use this software. Nothing much, nothing less. So definitely use it to backtest your strategy to see how well your strategy is doing and how bad it's doing. It's very important before you get into real life trading. So have a lovely day. Bye.